Hey, you want to see some real results? And so you came to the right place. I'm going to show you some real results while I was sleeping at 5:51 a.m. A sale for $100 came in. It was somebody who already, I guess, signed up with me, and they're getting so much value that they actually, upgraded to the traffic and conversions portion of the system. So now they could earn up to $120 per month from this platform, which is amazing. And I mean, as you can see here, here's when they first got in was April 13th, so it was about a week ago. And right here is $100 that I just made because they upgraded. Now when they go all in, I'm gonna actually show them how to get 1,000 people per month to see their opportunity. And I am gonna, actually buy them an exclusive licensing fee so that way they could resell traffic as well. So they're gonna be the master of traffic when they upgrade, and I'm gonna show them exactly what they need to do to actually get the most amount of customers in their business and to see the opportunity, which is amazing. They upgraded, so they love what they're going through right now, and I love that. I love something that I could actually help people with that actually has value. There's a lot of garbage out there, and I don't necessarily agree with all the hype and all the garbage that's out there. I like stuff that actually works, that people could actually learn from. So I just wanted to share that with you. And I mean, here I am on the leaderboards for this week, and it's just been amazing because there's so much value within here. And here's what they actually got. Here's what they actually upgraded to. They wanted to learn about financial or no, this is the wrong one. So here's what they actually upgraded to. They actually upgraded to learn all about traffic. So here's what you do before you actually get traffic. Here's how you create a lead magnet. Here's how you find your target market in the big picture, and how to organize all your stuff so that way you could be functioning in business the right way before you actually start running traffic. Then when you start running traffic, you could actually learn about launching your business, how to launch your business, how to create the invitation, how to actually follow up with people. And you're going to learn that in here when you get this product, and you're going to be able to make $100 commissions as well. So they have all this. Then they have blogging, how to get unlimited leads from Facebook, YouTube ranking, so how to rank your videos, podcasting. Podcasting is actually like a radio show, kind of like how Joe Rogan has. That's what that is. And then they also have Facebook ad mastery, how to recruit on LinkedIn, Facebook ad methods, how to actually go live on Facebook and make it effective. And then they have a 5-day challenge. So if you have a product, which they show you how to create your own product back here, you're going to learn how to create your own product. And then if you launch that product, right, and you have let's say 15 people on there, and like 7 of them convert, right, and you're selling your product for $500. That's amazing. That's amazing. And it's only an hour and a half, presentation. So to do an hour and a half, presentation, and then do a launch, where you're giving somebody value by presentation, and then they buy afterwards, that's a nice day for you, right? That's a nice hour and a half of money that you just made, right? And then right here we have coaching. Every single Monday night there's a Monday night mastermind. There's coaching that you can actually get into and actually come live on the coaching Monday nights, right? So And then they have a daily grow rich call, which actually is an all-on mindset. So you could actually tap into that at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And, then they have a take action, mastermind, to where they actually, go over the shoulder, and they actually show you, as the owners of the business, what they're doing in their, marketing business to actually, grow it and get results. So I've never seen a platform, like this, to where you have a whole community of, marketers, and they show you exactly what to do to make sales. They show you how to, how to set up your business. They show you how to get everything together, and so that you could actually start getting results. And, I want to see you get results too. And then they have the Financial Literacy Academy. Once you start making results, you could actually eliminate your debt. You could reduce your taxes, and you could learn how to actually, pay less in taxes and put your money towards investments that actually, grow your wealth. And so that's what this is about. So the first product that they had was the funnel builder. The funnel builder allowed them to actually create their sales funnels, and they could earn $20 commissions every single month from that $25 a month that they had, right? Then they were in it for about a week, and now they just upgraded to the traffic and conversion. So now they're going to learn about traffic and how to get traffic to their sales funnel, right? And when you can get traffic to your sales funnel, then you start making sales. Then you start building a list. Then you start building people that it actually starts to create relationships with people, which is what you need. You need to have relationships with people, and then is what they're going to want to know is they're going to want to know how to manage their money once they start making it, right? Because once you have a business, you got to know that. So right now they're at this portion of it, and sometimes it takes people a little bit longer to actually, go through the material before they upgrade. But I anticipate, them, going all in and upgrading, so they could see the additional stuff that I have and the bonuses. As far as the traffic and getting 1,000 people to see what they have to offer. So I'm very excited. I'm very happy for them that they actually took action, and that they're loving the product to where they upgraded within a week. And that's so amazing. It's so amazing to see that you have such a great product right here that people just upgrade. They get into it to test it out. Then they're like, wow, this is really a quality thing. It's quality. So I'm so happy to see that. And I just wanted to shoot this video for you and let you know, when you get started with me and you get, all in, you're going to get that 1,000 leads per month to your opportunity. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how you can actually get it in. You're going to know everything you need to know about traffic, about getting people to see your offers. You're going to know that stuff. And it's going to be a bonus that you could sell to people as an incentive. It will be an incentive to get people to join you and sign up with you, so that way you could start making these commissions, in your sleep, and you could start getting $100 commissions, when you're sleeping, and wake up and be like, wow, I just made a sale in my sleep. And that still amazes me that I could still, make money in my sleep. Like, I'm literally sleeping and I'm able to make a commission in my sleep. And it's so amazing, because when you say it, it sounds pretty cool, but when you actually do it, you're like, wow, I just made a commission in my sleep. And yeah, that's so amazing that can happen. I just want to share these results with you because I thought it was amazing. So if you're ready to start making money in your sleep too, make sure you click on that link below this video and get in with me today. I'm going to actually help you to actually build and grow your business, and connect with us in the Facebook group. We have our Facebook group, and if you connect with me, personally on Facebook, I'm on Facebook. And if you connect with me personally on Facebook, I have my own Facebook group, and then we also have our own group training too. If you want to go into my Facebook group, it's a free group that you could actually get into to learn stuff about marketing. So that link is actually going to be in the description of this video too. It's going to be under the page that actually gets you started with this system and opportunity. So check out the links in the bio of this video, and I'll see you on the next. I'll see you soon.